हरे कृष्णा। अभी उमा दीदी जी भूतनाथ महाजन महाराज जी ने हमको हमारे हृदय से भी ज़्यादा प्रिय नित्य लीला प्रवेश नव विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत तीर्थ महाराज जी की याद दिलाती। इसमें कोई शक नहीं, माधव महाराज जी, पूजपाद भक्ति वेदांत तीर्थ महाराज जी, वन महाराज जी और जितने भी यहाँ महाराज जी बैठे हुए हैं,
all the Maharajas which are here,
वो सब लोग इस परिक्रमा को लीड करते थे।
they are leading the
लेकिन
parikrama.
परिक्रमा करने में सबसे ज़्यादा जो उद्यत और मेहनत करते थे पूजपाद
But who really would take care of the parikrama was Svatita Maharaj. And now he's there in the photo.
इसलिए भी कह रहा हूँ, विशेषकर वो हमारे IGBT के प्रेसिडेंट थे।
Now he was the president of the International Gaudiya Vedanta Trust.
अंतर्गत हम लोग ये परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं।
That now we're doing the parikrama under this institution IGBT.
और खुशी से भी
And I'm very happy to
आप
announce
सबको बतलाना चाहता
that I want to tell all of you that after Svatita Maharaj left this world, the new president of IGBT is now Pujyapada Bhaktivedanta Ban Maharaj.
हमारा प्रेसिडेंट
He is now
नियुक्त किया
the new
है।
president.
अब वो माधव महाराज जी के साथ
And with Shri Madhav Maharaj
और अन्य
and
सन्यासियों
with the
के
other
साथ
sannyasis,
बहुत उद्यत होकर कार्य कर रहे हैं।
he is doing everything.
ये मैं इसलिए भी घोषणा कर रहा
So
हूँ
I'd like to announce
कि
that
मुझे लगता है कि मेरे कंधे पे बोझ ज़्यादा नहीं आए।
I think that I'm not having so much burden on my shoulders because Shravan Maharaj is also taking care. Hare Krishna.
भक्ति वेदांत पन महाराज की भक्तानंदे हरे गौरचंद्रा।
Don't be shy, sit there. Don't be shy.
राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वाग्रे मध्य गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद
Gurupada Padma, Nitya Pravistam Vishnupada Stotra Shishmad Bhaktivedanta Shila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and also to Nitya Pravishta Om Vishnupada Stotra Shata Shishmad Bhaktivedanta Shishmad Bhaktivedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. The lotus feet which remove all the fear. I offer my unlimited obeisances again and again to their lotus feet. And also my obeisances to Nitya Pravishta Om Vishnupada Stotra Shata Shrimad Bhaktivedanta Shila Swami Maharaj, and so all those who are here, my God brothers and companions, especially Param Puja Pada Shila Madhav Maharaj and Prapuja Charan Shripad Parivrajak Maharaj, Siddhanti Maharaj, Govinda Maharaj, and all the sannyasis, the devotees immersed in the mood of Mahaprabhu, and all the mothers, so much affectionate mothers, to the feet of everyone, I offer my Dandavat Pranams. Please accept my Dandavat Pranams. Ganges. So, in the same way, I'll try to glorify Gurudeva by explaining his glories, just like we worship Ganges with the author of the Ganges itself. So I'll try to glorify Gurudeva.
महिमा
Gurudeva has so many glories, unlimited glories. Cannot even explain the glories of Gurudeva with our
यदि
tongue.
हिमालय पर्वत के
If the mountain of
माना
Himalaya
जाए
was just like a pen,
समुद्र सप्त
and
समुद्र
the
के
seven
जल के
oceans, the water of the seven oceans, is just like an ink.
और
And
यदि आकाश
if
के
the
यदि
sky is
पत्र बने
like a paper,
कागज माना जाए
if the sky is like a paper,
तथापि तार
still would not be able to
तार अपार महिमा को वर्णन करा
describe the
संभव नहीं
unlimited glories of Gurudeva enoughly, like enough. Still,
दुई शब्द बोलबार मात्र चेष्टा
I'll
करी
try to speak 2 words anyway.
তিনি যে কত দয়ালু
Gurudeva was so
তার
merciful
পরোপকারী
and always doing
তার ভাষার
well
দ্বারা
for others. Well,
বর্ণন করা যায় না কেননা তিনি নিত্য জগৎ থেকে এসেছেন
actually, he came from the transcendental world.
শাস্ত্রের মধ্যে বলা
He was
হয়েছে
not only-
তিন প্রকারের
Like he was not only that, he came from 3 transcendental worlds. Shastra explains there are 3 kinds of speakers.
যিনি নিত্য ধাম থেকে এসেছেন
The one kind of speaker came from transcendental world. And actually when he speaks, he's seeing directly all those things that he's speaking about.
সেই কথাগুলো তারা জগতের মধ্যে
And then he is preaching these kathas in this world, whatever he sees in transcendental world. Like in the Bhagavatam explains.
ভক্তানাং মানসং দেহমনসিতম ভজতে তাদৃশ ক্রীড়া যা সুত্বা তৎপরো ভবেৎ জীব কল্যাণের জন্য
That to benefit the jivas of this world, the jivas,
নিত্য পরিকর্জন
the nitya
এই
parikaras
ধরাধামে প্রকট হন
appear in this world.
আবার জীবকে কল্যাণ করে
need to record
জানি জীবের অনর্থ রাশি কে ধ্বংস করে
And
তাদের হৃদয়কে নির্মল করে
they want to purify the heart of all the jivas and to give them Krishna prem. And then bring the jivas to the transcendental world.
সেই সকল বক্তাকে বলা হয়
So
উত্তম কোটির বক্তা
the best speaker, the highest speaker, Uttam Bhakta, is someone who came from the transcendental world. Then there is also
করে গুরু পাদ পদ্মে সেবা করে
that person who is serving Guru Padma,
তারা সেগুলো অনুভব করেছেন তারা আবার
and he has
জগতে সর্বত্র প্রচার করেন
and
প্রসার
he has
করেন
realization and he's
জগৎকে
preaching this
কল্যাণ
world.
করেন
He's benefiting the
সেই সকল
jivas of this
বক্তাকে বলা
world.
হয় মধ্যম কোটির বক্তা।
So this is a intermediate speaker.
और कनिष्ठकारी
And the
वक्ता ताके बला
Kanishta
है,
speaker is
যিনি
someone,
केवल
like a neophyte speaker, is someone
কথাগুলোকে তিনি
who,
কেবল তোতা পাখির মতো
just like a
বলতে
parrot,
থাকেন।
is just repeating the words of the scriptures,
আচরণ করেন না।
but actually the person does not even follow that in his own life. He's just speaking like a parrot.
তাকে বলা হয়
This is the neophyte speaker, Kanishta
কনিষ্ঠ
Bhakta.
বক্তা বলা হয়।
Kanishta Bhakta.
আবার বলা হয়েছে
And
শাস্ত্রে যারা
Shastra also explains
শাস্ত্রের কোনো ধার ধারে না শাস্ত্রের কোনো সিদ্ধান্তকে নিয়ে
this
চলে
person,
না।
this Kanishta speaker,
মনগড়ন্তি
actually
কথাগুলোকে
he is not
তারা
really
লোক
following all the
নিয়ে
things.
জন্য
He just wants to attract the people of, that's why he's speaking only to attract the people. Ah no, sorry, another category is a dumb bhakta, fallen speaker. He's just speaking, sorry, in this one. He has just to attract the people and like this, speaking anything that which comes in his mind.
অবৈষ্ণব মুখোদ্গীর্ণং কুত হরি
And actually he's not even following the rules of the scriptures, nothing.
সর্বোচ্ছিষ্ট
But Shastra explains, just like if you take the milk touched by the mouth of this snake, it will not be good for you. So if the person himself does not follow all the rules of the scriptures, doesn't follow the behavior, the conceptions of the scriptures,
সুখী ভেকি
like a Sahajiya Sakibeki person,
কথাগুলো শুনে
if you listen from this person, listen Harikatha from this person, you'll never be able to get good things in your life. Like never be auspicious to listen from these people.
রোগ বৃদ্ধি হয়ে যায়
And actually your Bhavaroga means your lust and anger will increase if you listen from these people.
বলা হয়েছে
Shastra explains.
তাৎপর্য আমার বলা হচ্ছে গুরুপাদ পদ্মতির নিত্য জগৎ থেকে এসেছেন
So Gurudeva came from transcendental worlds.
জগতের নয়
He's not from this world, Gurudeva.
আমাদের কাছে কল্যাণ করবার জন্য তিনি
He came to here to benefit us.
নিজের
Just like
পরিচয় তিনি নিজে
Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he also gave his own introduction, like he told who he was. In the Kirtan, Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, "My name is Kamala Manjari." He told, "My name is Kamala Manjari.
বসন হচ্ছে
My age is 12 and half."
তারা বলি
12 years.
সেবার কথাতে লেখো
My seva
কর্পূর
is
সেবা
Karpur seva, means I offer camphor to Radha and Krishna.
ঠাকুর
Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
যে নিত্য জগতে
he in the transcendental world is a very near and dear servant of Shrimati Radhika. And he himself introduced himself, like he told who he was. In his own writings, he told who he was. Also, our Gurudeva also,
জীবদ্দশাতে
when he was alive, like a presence in this world, Gurudeva also,
নিকটজন ছিলেন
he told who he was. So he is very dear and nears. Gurudeva also indicated who he was. He said, I'm Ramana Manjari.
কোনো সন্দেহ নাই
There's no doubt he's Ramana Manjari.
আমাদের জৈব ধর্ম যখন পড়াতেন
Just like when he used to give class on Jaiva Dharma, when we were in Mathura, and he was giving Jaiva Dharma class to us, giving class of Jaiva Dharma to us.
তখন সেখানে একটা
In that moment,
দিয়েছেন,
He, you know, that Vaishnava Thakur from the Jaiva Dharma,
সেখানে বলা হচ্ছে কি তুমি
He's-
রমণ মঞ্জরি
the Guru is telling him, you are Ramana Manjari in the book Jaiva Dharma. And your seva, now it's time for your seva. Because Radha and Govinda, they are sleeping in that Nivritta Nikunja, this
তার যেন
confidential kunja. And now it's time for them to wake up.
দিয়েছেন কোন একটি কক্ষটি
But
কক্ষটি মানে
this Kakati means the old monkey, female monkey of Shrimati Radhika.
সেটা কি করছে
She was what?
করছে
She was making noise.
তাকে বলছেন রমণ
And
মঞ্জরি
then he told Ramana Manjari, now it's your seva time. You shut up that old female monkey. Shut her up.
তুমি তাকে গিয়ে তাকে বিরত করো
Because she's
তাকে ওখান থেকে তাড়িয়ে দাও যখন গুরুদেব
disturbing the sleepiness of Radha and Govinda. So when Gurudeva used to say this,
দিকে আমরা তাকিয়ে থাকতাম তখন তার মুখার বৃন্দ
Gurudeva, when he used to say this, Gurudeva used to salivate even like foam in his mouth, and Gurudeva would become choked completely in emotion and flowing tears from his eyes. Gurudeva, when he was giving this class, speaking about this,
হয়ে যেতেন
completely absorbed in his own Siddha Deha.
ধর্ম পড়াতে পড়াতে
When he was giving class of Jaiva Dharma to us,
স্তম্ভিত হয়ে
he would be like not moving, stunned, not speaking anything
যেতেন।
even.
শাস্ত্রের মধ্যে বলা হয়
Because Shastra explains,
যত্র তত্র কথা যত্র তত্র আপন ভজন কথা না কহিনে যথা তথা আপন নিজের যে ভজনের গোপনীয় যে কথা রয়েছে
your confidential bhajan, you should not
ঘাটে ঘাটে মাঠে বলতে নাই
You should not tell about your confidential bhajan here and there like this. So Gurudeva also, these confidential things about his spiritual life, he will not tell this to everyone and to the society. But for those dear associates,
বুঝেছেন বুঝেছেন পরবর্তীকালে আমাদের পূজ্যপাদ
now our Pujapada, Madhav Maharaj, he also in the present time, he's a Pandit in Sanskrit. So he beautifully, he wrote Ashtakam, Ramana Bihari Ashtakam, he wrote, beautiful Ashtakam he wrote.
আমি ভক্তদের সেখানে অনুপ্রাণিত করি
So I inspire all the devotees that
প্রাতঃকালে উঠে
every early in the morning, every day, you should recite this Ramana Bihari Ashtakam. Sorry, not Ramana Bihari, Ramana Manjari Ashtakam, sorry. You have to read every day in the morning this Ramana Ashtakam and you'll be benefiting in your spiritual life.
রাধা গোবিন্দের মঞ্জরি
So Gurudev is a Manjari eternal of Radha and Krishna. There's no doubt.
গুরুদেবের যে বিচার আচার
These conceptions and speciality of Gurudeva,
অতুলনীয় ছিল।
they are incomparable.
তিনি যখন পণ্ডিত সমাজের
When Gurudeva was in the assembly of the Pandit people, giving Harikatha to the Pandit, in the assembly of Pandits,
তাকে ঘুরি ঘুরি প্রশংসা করতেন।
the Panditas would glorify so much Gurudeva.
খুব- যে তিনি কত ত্রিনাদ বিষ্ণুজের মূর্ত বিগ্রহ ছিলেন।
Gurudeva was the personification of Trinada Pisunichana, humility.
গুরুদেব শ্রীনাথ গোস্বামী
Gurudeva Shandarayana Goswami Maharaj, when he
পণ্ডিত সমাজের মধ্যে
was in the assembly of the Panditas,
সমস্ত বড় বড় পণ্ডিতগণ
all the great Panditas of Mathura, Vrindavan also,
জগন্নাথপুরী
Jagannath
এবং
Puri,
নবদ্বীপের বড় বড়
and
পণ্ডিতগণ
even great Panditas of Navadvipa.
যখন ভাষণ দিতেন সেই ভাষণের সভাতে তিনি যখন উপস্থিত হতেন তারপরে তিনি নিজেই শেষে বক্তৃতা দিতেন
Gurudeva would
তিনি
speak in
একটা
the
কথা
end,
বলতেন,
and
এই
Gurudeva
সভার
would say,
মধ্যে আপনারা সকলেই সুউচ্চ শিক্ষিত
you are so learned scholar, all of you. You are
আপনারা অনেক উন্নত
You are so high, learned in scholar. I never studied
আমার
Sanskrit.
বিদ্যার অতটা নাই
I don't have all this knowledge like you,
আপনারা
Gurudeva
সকলে
told.
সুউচ্চ
You are so high. You are so learned and scholar. You are from university, like so pandita and everything. So learned and scholar. You have so much degrees in Sanskrit, etc. But Gurudeva told, used to say, I didn't study so much. I didn't have this degree. I don't have degree, but still, I'll try to speak something in front of you. And whatever I say is actually the fruit of the service I did to my Gurudeva, nothing else. Shastra explains. That if you serve the Gurudev with mind, words, speech, what will happen? You get the mercy of Guru in your heart. Naturally, the mercy of Guru will come to you like a rain. So when Gurudeva was in his assembly of the Panditas, of the learned people, scholars, then one day Gurudeva was like describing the glories of contribution of Mahaprabhu. Especially Gurudeva was speaking about this shloka, Anarpita Charincharat.
हरि प्रोड सुंदर दिति कदम संदीपित सदा हृदय कंदरे स्मरतव सचीनंदन এই শ্লোকের ব্যাখ্যার প্রসঙ্গে
Gurudeva was describing this shloka.
রাধারানীর যে পরম সেবার কথা তিনি ব্যক্ত করতেন যেটা আমাদের রাধারাস সুধানিধির গ্রন্থের মধ্যে
So in the book of Radharas Sudhanidhi,
জানি রাধারানীর যে
Tunga Vidya, the eternal friends of Shrimati Radhika, Tunga Vidya. In the Gaura Lila, he is the Prabodhananda Saraswati Pada. So this Prabodhananda Saraswati, he wrote this. This verse, Gurudeva said. So when Gurudeva was describing this verse, that Shrimati Radhika is with man, like she is angry, and the Supreme Absolute Truth, Shri Krishna, who is worshipped by Brahma and Shiva and so many other demigods. When this Rasika Shekhar, Supreme Rasika Krishna, and so merciful Krishna, Krishna came as Mahaprabhu to relish this essence of Prem and to preach this Raga Marga in this world. So this Rasika Shekhara, best of relisher of Rasa, Shri Krishna, is again and again bowing his head at the feet of Shrimati Radhika, praying to her. So in the same way, Gurudeva used to say that the door of the Kunja of Shrimati Radhika is closed, and Krishna is there in the door of the Kunja, speaking humble words. What? The Sakis are there in front of the door of Kunja, and Krishna is saying humble words to the Sakis. He's asking for apologizing to the Sakis. So, Gurudeva only used to say this, describing a beautiful language. All the Panditas, they used to glorify so much Gurudeva, and all of them, they used to clap so much. When Gurudeva told this, Gurudeva was so rasika. Puja, I heard from the Lotus Mappa Pujapada Janardana Maharaj. He told that Narayana Maharaj, he is from the group of Shrimati Radhika, he is a Sakya of Shrimati Radhika. So that's why he only speaks about Shrimati Radhika, Vrishabhanu Nandini. It's so sweet because he is very dear Sakya of Shrimati Radhika.
ভাষার দ্বারা ব্যক্ত করা সম্ভব নয় তাই আজকে আমাদের বলেছেন
Now, Puri Maharaj was speaking in the morning that
ভক্তি বেদান্ত ত্রিবিক্রম কৃষ্ণের পাঠটা নিতেন মানে
Tirtha Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Trivikram Maharaj used to take the side of Krishna, and Gurudeva used to take the side of Shrimati Radhika, and they used to have debates and discussion. And when they used to come to the top of the, like to the high peak of the discussion, then Vamana Maharaj, Gurudeva, Vamana Maharaj used to come in the middle and reconcile this debate. And Vamana Maharaj used to say, Narayana Maharaj, whatever Narayana Maharaj says, the absolute truth. Vamana Maharaj used to say. So this loving quarrel in our Guru Vargas, like they used to do loving quarrel, and actually they were establishing the Siddhanta. So if Gurudeva Shri Narayana Goswami Maharaj had not manifested in this world, really, this prema of Shrimati Radhika, who would show that like how high, the highest thing is the prema of Shrimati Radhika. So Narahari Sarkar has one kirtan.
এই কীর্তনের মধ্যে আবার আমাদের বৈষ্ণবগণ বলেছেন
Jadi Gauranga Nahito. But our Vaishnavas, they sing differently. They say, Jadi Narayana Nahito. If Narayana would not come, what will be of us? Who would be able to glorify the highest glory of Srimati Radhika, of the love of Srimati Radhika? Who would manifest these glories of the love of Srimati Radhika in this material world? Who? If Gurudeva, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, if he would not manifest in this material world, these glories of Srimati Radhika, this highest Baba of Srimati Radhika, this Vipralamba Baba of Srimati Radhika, who would be able to manifest this in this world? Srila Madhav Maharaj told you, heard from his lotus mouth, that
জগন্নাথপুরী এই ত্রিধামের মধ্যে শ্রেষ্ঠত্বের
So,
বিচার বৈশিষ্ট্যের কথা
what is the highest Dham? Vrindavan, Navadvipa, Jagannath Puri.
তিনি
So, we are listening that
কৃষ্ণ আবার বলা হয়েছে মথুরাধীশ কৃষ্ণ
there are three Krishnas from Vrindavana, Mathura and Dwaraka.
বলা হয়েছে।
So, three Krishnas.
বৃন্দাবন চন্দ্র কৃষ্ণ থেকে বৃন্দাবন
So,
থেকে
Vrindavana of Krishna, he's always in Vrindavan. He never leaves Vrindavan, never goes outside Vrindavan. I do not give one step out of Vrindavan. This one's verse. Krishna of Vrindavana never goes anywhere.
থেকে তিনি
He always stays in Vrindavan and never goes outside Vrindavan. In the same way, Vrishabhanu Nandini, Srimati Radhika has three forms, three swarupas. One, Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she's eternally in the
বা অপ্রকাশ রূপে
in a
বৃন্দাবন
manifest form and always
বিহার করছে
with Krishna in this transcendental Vrindavana, always.
দুইটি প্রকাশ
And she has two manifestations. One, Samjogini, and another, Vyogini.
অর্থাৎ কামা অথবা
Also called Kama and Bama. Also, they are also called Kama and Bama.
গুরুদেব এত সুন্দর
So Gurudeva, in a beautiful way, he used to speak all this in the amongst the assembly of the Panditas. And
উদাহরণ দিয়ে
Gurudev giving example of the Shastras, he would describe all this. And the Panditas would see this and become amazed.
আজকে তিনি পেয়ে
Gurudev was thinking, the Panditas were thinking, where is he taking this from? Like, from which Shastra? But Gurudev, when he used to speak Rasa Shastra, was incomparable.
কথা শুনেছি
When Gurudev would speak Tata Siddhanta, when we were in Mathura, in the time of Janmashtami, or in the time of also the festival of Srimati Radhika Radhashtami,
বৃন্দাবনে তিনি বড় বড় পণ্ডিত
great Panditas of Mathura and Vrindavana also, they used to come.
আমন্ত্রিত করতেন
Gurudev used to invite them to the temple of Mathura, and all of them used to come,
বেশি বিশেষ করে
especially in Mathura.
ব্রাহ্মণ পণ্ডিতগণ কি বলেন
The Panditas, they say that Krishna
হ্যাঁ?
was born in
মথুরায় জন্ম নিয়েছে
Mathura, they
আর
say.
যে বলে গোকুলে গিয়ে পালিত হয়েছে
And he was raised in Gokula. Gurudeva could not tolerate this wrong Siddhanta. Even great Panditas like Vasudeva Chaturvedi, Manohar Lal Shastri, all of them,
কথা আর কি বলা যাবে
they used to speak this. They were like from university and very high Panditas.
উন্নত মানের যারা অধ্যাপক ছিলেন তাদেরও তিনি কি করতেন চেস্টাইজমেন্ট করতেন
So,
আপনারা অপসিদ্ধান্ত
Gurudeva would chastise them. He was speaking Apasiddhanta, like wrong philosophies.
তিনি বলতেন না
Gurudeva would say, no, Nanda Nandana Krishna, Jashoda Nandana Krishna.
তিনি বলেছেন এতে জানস কলাবংশ কৃষ্ণস্তু ভগবান
Like Gurudeva used to say that Vrindavana Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan, he is the original God.
করতেন যেগুলো আমাদের রূপ গোস্বামী পাদ
Like Rupa Goswami in the Lagu Bhagavatamrita book, he also
বলেছেন
told all this.
তাই সেই কথাগুলো
So in the same way, Gurudeva,
সমাজবিদ ছাড়েন নাই
so in the assembly of the Panditas, even great Panditas,
তারা থরথর করে কাঁপতো
Gurudeva used to defeat even his great Panditas, and Gurudeva would establish the Rasa Siddhanta, Tata Siddhanta.
মানের ছিল তা আমরা জেনেছি গুরু চাই তাই জন্য প্রজেক্ট
In the same way,
ওই কি বলে একাডেমি
that's why the Vraja Academy, they gave a title to Gurudeva.
কি উপাধি দিয়েছিলেন
Which title?
যুগা
Juga Acharya. They gave this title to Gurudeva, Juga Acharya, the Acharya of the Yuga. Because Gurudeva was so expert in Tata Siddhanta, Rasa Siddhanta, and he was so like praised because of his Siddhanta in Tata and Rasa. Gurudeva was a bold speaker. my time finished. No? Gurudeva was a bold speaker. I just want to speak 2 more minutes about this. Gurudeva, he wrote a beautiful book. You should everyone read this book. It's available in Bengali, in Hindi, and also in English also. This book is available in the 3 languages. Even outside of India, this book is also available in many other languages also. So the name of this book is in this book Gurudeva is defeating the philosophy, Mayavada philosophy, and also the Sahajya Sakibekis. Gurudeva is even saying the name of the persons who are speaking wrong philosophies. People sometimes are afraid to take the name of the person. So maybe you'll be sued because you take directly the name of the person who is speaking wrong Siddhanta. But Gurudeva was not afraid. He wrote this book, even putting the names all the Sahajya Sakibekis, Shamalal Saki, Shamalal something, some person. Gurudeva quoted the names of this person from Sahajya Sakibekis Sampradaya. Gurudeva wrote this book.
ওখানে বলা হয়েছে গৌড়ীয় মঠের লোক সন্ন্যাস কেন নেয় সন্ন্যাসের কথা কোথা থেকে এলো
So they say that the person from Gaudiya Mata should not take sannyasa. They say there's no parampara in the Gaudiya Sampradaya, should not use saffron cloth. They used to say many things like this.
আবার প্রস্তুরূপে সেই সকল সহজা সখী ভেকে তাদের নাম নিয়ে তিনি উল্লেখ করেছেন
Gurudeva wrote the name of all these Sahajya Sakibekis in the book.
আমার মনে আছে
This book is available in Bengali, in Hindi also. And whatever Gurudeva told, we should distribute this book everywhere. In the place of the Sahajya Sakibekis, they used to live even without paying. We gave this book to everyone. So the Sahajya Sakibekis, they read this book, and for 1 month they did meeting in Vrindavan, and they wanted to know how can we arrest this Nara Maharaj or sue him somehow. Why? They wanted to sue Shanarayan Maharaj in any way. And for 1 month they were having meetings so much in Vrindavan, and then nothing happens. You know that story? Who will put the bell in the neck of the cat? Who will put the bell in the neck of the cat? You know the story? There was an old cat. This old cat, he could not hunt, could not walk. So what to do? So this old cat thought, I cannot jump on the rats. So the rats, they gathered and thought, let's put 1 bell in the neck of the cat, because when the cat will come, the bell will ring, and then we can hide in the hole because we know he's coming. So Prabhupada told, but who will put the bell in the neck of the cat? Because the person who bind the bell in the neck of the cat will eat these rats, isn't it? Do you understand Bengali? That person will go to the neck of the cat to put the bell on his neck. These rats will also be eaten by the cat, isn't it? So in the same way, the Sahajya Sakibekis, the name of the book is Prabandha Panchakam. So the Prabandha Panchakam. So the name of the book. So the Sahajya Sakibekis, they wanted to sue Gurudeva, lawsuit against him and everything. But Gurudeva had given the evidence from all the Shastras. How to take sannyas and all these things, they are actually in the Shastra and according to the proper Siddhanta. So I think they tried to open some case in Mathura, but you know that person who used to work in the Supreme Court of Mathura, he was disciple of Shanarayan Maharaj. So actually the Babaji, they couldn't go ahead with their case because actually Gurudeva's disciple was also in the Supreme Court of Justice of Mathura and all this place. So anyway, Gurudeva preached everywhere in the whole world without any fear.
এই দেখুন নাট্য নদী বিশাল।
So now you see this temple is gigantic here.
পরিক্রমা তো শুরু
And this parikrama has not even started yet.
হবে 23 তারিখ থেকে।
Actually, parikrama starts only on the 23rd. I thought that because of
করোনার জন্য লোকজন
Corona, people will not come. I thought because of coronavirus, people will not come. People said that people will not come because of coronavirus. But I see that the hall is so yes, 5 essential ICs. So the hall is so full. So the parikrama starts from the 23rd. I don't know where people sit because already now it's so full.
কালকে আমাদের
From tomorrow actually,
সংকল্প
we'll do the sankalpa, the vow of the parikrama.
আমাদের গুরুদেবের শতাব্দী
So tomorrow
জন্ম শতাব্দীর মহোৎসবে
we also do. There will be a great festival tomorrow for the centennial of Gurudeva. Nityananda Prabhu will arrange everything
গুরুদেবের কাছে যে প্রভাব, গুরুদেবের যে কৃপা,
because the mercy of Gurudeva,
ক্ষণে ক্ষণে আমরা উপলব্ধি করি।
we can feel it at every moment.
বলে এইখানে
So
আমার বক্তব্য
here I stop my speech.
বাঞ্ছা
Vanchakalpa.
হরে কৃষ্ণ। আপনাদের কাছে নিবেদন করলাম যে উল্লুধ্বনি না দিলে মহামন্ত্র করবেন। আপনারা কি চিন্তা করছেন? কানে গুঁজেছি কুলা, পিঠে বেঁধেছি